How to run Android apps on Windows without any emulators. First, open the browser. On search button type WSA GitHub. Open the first link which mentioned Mustard Chef. Scroll down to see instructions and download links. You will see the current and different versions of WSA. On my computer, open Systems Properties to see the current build of your Windows. For WSA installation to work, you need to have updated build version of your Windows. The version should be 22H2 and later versions. If you have the updated Windows, then continue with downloading the WSA setup build. Select the Windows version of your computer and press OneDrive link to download. Wait for the page to load. Select the third file link which has full installation files, including PlayStore and Amazon App Store. Wait for the page to reload and press Download button. After downloading is complete, open the folder where it was saved. Right-click the downloaded zip file and extract the files with 7-zip. To avoid warnings, please use only 7-zip to extract the files. After is completed, save the file on Documents and open it. Look for the file named run.bat. Right-click it and run as administrator. Installation will start running. Wait until is completed. Congratulations! Windows Subsystems for Android is fully installed. You can now install your favorite apps from PlayStore and app files in your subsystems without any issues. Thanks for watching.